Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this short video I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Play Store pending problem on Android phone. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So guys, very first thing what you need to do is just click on the settings application to open the settings app. After opening the settings application, here you have to click on apps and notification. Now swipe down to see Google Play Store and tap on it. Here you have to tap on storage and then click on clear storage. Click OK to confirm. Now go to back menu and disable Google Play Store. Click on OK to confirm your action. Now go to home screen and wait for few seconds. After passing some time, go back to setting menu, swipe down and tap on app and notification. Here swipe down and click on Google Play Store. Here is the Google Play Store. Now enable the Google Play Store again. So guys, now go back to Google Play Store and download your application again. Your application will be downloaded inshallah. Now I am going to download the previous application again and its name Quran Solar Lines. So guys, this is Quran Solar Line per page application which will start downloading shortly. You can see that the application is being downloaded now. That's it. So friends, like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.